Hey guys, this is a video about how to connect the NSCAN with this app called Auto Doctor, which can be found from the Apple Store. And here's the main things. You need to make sure your Bluetooth has been turned on. Also, the adapter has been connected with the OBD2 port, so you can see this red light has been turned on. Also, vehicle has been turned on. So let's go back to the app. So I'll cancel it first. Just go to the setting and there's connectivity, and make sure it's using the Bluetooth. You can select the device. Just select the device from here and use the VA. This is called the VA BLE. Use this function, use this device as the NSCAN, and then you just go back to the main menu. Hit on the top right corner, there's an icon linking, so you will see it will automatically connect with the vehicles. As you can see, all this data has been connected, and you can check engine codes. Also, you can diagnostic and check the emission status and check every data. You can also refresh this data if there is. Also, there's some sensors, so I'm using the light version, so you can see this is the live data curves. Connection is pretty well and fast. So this is connection for the Auto Doctor apps.